mama cried, said I'd run out of luck. But I've been breathing smoke since I was 5. Ain't dead yet, that means I'm alive. Scratch my name in a world that forget. Still got fire in my cigarette. Got gravel in my lungs, dust in my veins. Walking through the storm like I don't feel pain. The world don't listen, but I still speak. Got gravel in my lungs, but I ain't weak. I've eaten dirt and I've swallowed pride. Laid with sorrow, let the good things slide. But my fists still clench, my boots still strong. I don't back down when the devil's taunt. They say I'm broken, hell maybe it's true, but I break the ground when I'm out walk through. Got gravel in my lungs, smoke in my chest. I don't pray for heaven, I just fight for rest. Let the silence judge me, let the